Do you want to learn how to make chapati that is soft, layered and golden in color? Today I will show you how using butternut squash. Today I'm using 4 cups of wheat flour, butternut, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 5 spoons of cooking oil. I begin by cutting my butternut into pieces. I press them into a saucepan to be washed. I press them into a pot to start boiling. I boil them for 10 minutes. My butternut is already tender. I drain them from water. I peel off the skin while it is still hot. Makes it easy while smashing it. Now it is time to smash our butternut. In this pot I had 4 cups of wheat flour. I had 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 5 spoons of vegetable oil. I mix everything again. Next I add the mashed butternut. I mix until well combined. Now I add 1 cup of water. Now you can see the dough has started forming. I add 3 tablespoons of oil to soften the dough and make it smooth. I knead again until it combines very well. I cover it with a kitchen towel. I let the dough rest for 10 minutes. This is how soft it is after resting. Now it's time to divide it into small balls. This is our balls. I roll 1 ball at a time. I spread a little oil and sprinkle flour. This helps in forming soft layers. I fold it again to make another small ball again.
Now to make chapati. Put out here to make chapati.
This is how they look. Now I roll again to form chapati shape. I place chapati on a hot pan. I fry it dry without oil. I turn it into another side. Then I add oil and fry until golden brown. I turn another side. I add on some oil again and fry it until golden brown. Our butternut chapatis are ready, layered, soft and delicious. So if you have enjoyed this recipe, kindly subscribe, like and share to enable me bring more authentic recipes. Today we have gone butternut soft layered chapatis. On Sunday we are having salted potatoes recipe. Kindly don't miss out. Bye bye, see you in the next one on Sunday.